Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Indeed, the Southeasterners have woken up. They are really seeing what is going on in the Southeast, and some of them have been sitting in the fence for a while now, but they have decided to take sides and they're talking very strongly. Some hours ago, it was the turn of Professor Obiozo to speak extensively of what is going on in the Southeast. But right now, as we speak, another fraction of Ohaneze Ndigbo, actually, this is headed by Okechukwu Iziguzoro, is actually the one talking about this one now, and his own is he's hitting his own Bl0ws. He's not caring, honestly, and he's giving this warning straight up to not just to Nigerians but also to the Northerners, to all these agitators who are agitating for their freedom. It's a strong message, I must say. Before we go into the news proper, I would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you'll see bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as you update our channel or YouTube. Well, for the records, we have two fractions of Ohaneze Ndigbo, one by Professor Bl0ws and one by Okechukwu. Well, Ohaneze Ndigbo worldwide on Tuesday warned that northern governors against Okay, I take that again. Ohaneze Ndigbo worldwide on Tuesday warned northern governors against insisting on producing President Muhammadu Buhari's successor in 2023. Okechukwu Iziguzoro, the Ohaneze Secretary General, warned that another northern president would fuel the agitation for Oduduwa Republic and Biafra nation. Iziguzoro, in a statement he signed, accused the northern governors of being the proponent of the Nigerians' breakup. He noted that another northern president will be faced with challenges that will make it difficult for him to rule Nigeria. The statement reads, and I quote, "The Ohaneze Ndigbo worldwide maintained that attempts to jettison the rotational presidency in 2023 and the North insisting to succeed President Muhammadu Buhari will be unfavorable and weaknesses towards sustaining the unity and stability in the country, as it will favor the declaration of Oduduwa and Biafra nations by 2024. The northern governors' miscalculation on 2023 and maneuvering on blind excitement of opposing the position of southern governors, especially their standpoint, have put the northern governors as exponents of Nigerians' breakup. If another northerner succeeds President Buhari in 2023, he or she might not be able to be the superintendent over the affairs of the country, as Nigeria might face challenges from secessionist groups with full backing from ethnic groups as a result of a revolt against the injustice against South and excesses of the North. Ndigbo may join with IPOB to declare for Biafra restoration in the event of any conspiracy against the 2023 Igbo presidency. Northern governors should apologize to Nigerians for their subversive and provocative responses to 2023 Southern presidency, or should face the consequences of unable to read the mood of nation which favors the Southern presidency of Igbo bloc. Well, that's quite interesting. A lot of reactions have followed suit. We're going to take one or two comments from it, and let's look at this objectively. This one here is saying it's not going to happen. The truth be told, the Ndigbos may not be able to join IPOB on this, and this is why. Okay, let me hear. He said, I continue with the reading. He said, this is because already Nnamdi Kanu have threatened the Southeast governors and have called them saboteurs. They are already scared for their life. So joining Mazi Nnamdi Kanu over the issue of IPOB means they are moving from frying pan to fire. They may not be sure of their lives. So they rather do all they can to win and remain in Nigeria than joining Biafra, where they are not sure that they will remain alive. Okay, it's just a personal opinion. This one here is saying Ndigbos cannot come together as one, because those who are agitating and moving for Biafra are majorly those who feel cheated and want to regain control. These Igbo elites have really enjoyed, and they may not find themselves seeing themselves as equal with the commoners who they have brought to this level. Hence, the Ndigbos themselves will be the one to sabotage the move for Igbo okay for, I don't know what's trying to write. Maybe okay, trying to say for Biafra. So they rather remain with one Nigeria, as even if it means second class citizen, than to go to Biafra. Well, I don't know why people are still teetering towards this, but let's just quickly discuss what this young man has said here. He keeps saying, they all keep saying that Ndigbo president, the Igbo political elite may not want to join MNK or those agitating for Biafra to go for Biafra because they are scared that they will be submerged, that they will not be recognized, or they may lose all their property on all they've worked for. Don't forget, these guys are brothers, so don't make it look as if they're enemies. They are first brothers before they became. These are Mazin Africans from Abia. The southern governors are from the southeast. They always have what we call stakeholders meeting. When it comes to that level, you will see they will just merge. They are brothers. They have when they will meet the meeting. When they will have that meeting, it will not be public. When they will say, okay, well, now you are seeing what is happening, where they are now having meetings, stakeholders meetings, that they should release Mazin Kanu. We are not hearing all those ones, all those background movements. Okay, what are you going to give in return? Are you going to stop this? We don't know about all those things. They will not come on social media to announce it. So these are, when they say the issue of when brothers are fighting, you don't put your mouth inside, because when they will settle, you will not be there. I don't know why people just believe Mazen Abdekanu. Yes, he's a man. He must have said those things he said in anger. And I'm sure at some point, if you get to that level and they realize that it's either they remain with their brothers, the apologies may come into play. And apologies here, disagreement here and there, for some sort of compromise may come in. Okay, but we are not praying for that. What we are praying for is peace generally. So I don't know where these people have this mentality that it is even the Igbo politicians that will thwart the Biafran movement. I don't know how true it is, but for now, they're seeing better chances of them being in Nigeria as the president or as the ruling party running the affairs of Nigeria. So why move now for 60, ever since independence or ever since democracy was really appreciated? They've not really had tangible rulership role, and now they are about to see one based on a zoning, of which the Northerners are saying they are not even interested. There's nothing like zoning. It should be free for all, where everybody will test their strength and popularity, and whoever wins carries the day. And if by the propaganda we are hearing is, if it's true that the North have a lot of population, then that means over and over and over again the North may decide to keep ruling Nigeria as they like, as at when they please, or they can decide to thwart the hands of whoever that will rule by allowing the person or going into some sort of agreement, which may still not favor the South. So, like the likes of Professor Banji Kitoye said, whether South or North rules, most important thing is that these guys have the constitution so favors them that they will still by default and indirectly still be ruling the country. So you see why some people are agitating, they want to leave because already the constitution doesn't favor them. Well, let's meet in that conversation. That's actually coming from Professor Banji.